What's wrong with you? Oh. I will only do side view. It's a song, Kyle. Come on, Kyle. Go ahead. Don't be shy. Kyle, play a song. Play the song.
Oh my goodness.
Here we go. No words? All right. Well, that was pretty. That was pretty groovy. Thanks for bringing in your ukulele. This is the show and tell Tuesdays over at Ultimate California Pizza.
We'll try it.
Let's see that dance. It was Desperado, right?
No, I don't know. Are you talking about the Justin Bieber?
No, where he's got all the guns in his guitar case.
No, wait.
Desperado. You don't watch any movies.
No.
Anyways, this is just like Desperado, but it's much smaller. It's a much smaller guitar with much smaller guns.
I love
Put
it.
it away until we need it.